To dream the impossible dream has become a reality. Our hearts are beating with excitement with the arrival of Onpassive. Onpassive is leaving all of our financial problems behind us. Total financial and time freedom are what we have with Onpassive. Onpassive has given us the means to have our dreams come true. Many have been attracted to what we thought would make our dreams come true, only to be in places where our dreams die. People for decades have had nothing but heartache and massive disappointment trying to make money. Many have lost untold amounts of money and had their health affected and relationships ruined and dreams shattered. There is a miracle that is about to happen. For those who have tried to have success on the internet, for those who have struggled and lost money online, relief is on the way. For those who have dreamed to have a better life, dream bigger and have it with Onpassive. If your dream is to give to your favorite charities, dream bigger and make your lists longer. If you have dreamed of waking up when you have rested and not have to worry about reporting to a job that you don't like, Onpassive is your dream maker. If you are on a fixed income and you need more money on which to live, Onpassive is your dream maker. If your dream is going to the best restaurants and not be intimidated when you don't see prices on menus, Onpassive is your dream maker. Why not pay for everyone's food bill if that is your wish? The cruise that you didn't have the money to take, Onpassive will take you there. No more 3 days and you're back home. Have a vacation instead of a staycation. Don't come back until you want to come home. Every dream that you ever had, Onpassive will make that dream come true. Onpassive was created by a man who loves people. Mr. Mafare's goal is to lift up everyone from situations that have caused financial devastation and grief and wasted dreams. Mr. Mafare created Onpassive for the benefit of humanity. Onpassive is built on an unselfish act of love that pours out from the very heart of Mr. Mafare. That house that we always wanted, we will have that house. Never will there be a concern about helping those in need because we will not need financial help. We will be able to help others who are in need. Any dream that we have will all be realized with Onpassive. Think about shopping for anything that we desire, without worrying about how much it costs. Onpassive is the company of which dreams are made. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mafare. Go to onpassive.com and register for 3 free complimentary gifts and start your journey to bigger and better dreams.